Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Rejected again, same thing. Euro yen, let's look at that and see how that looked. Especially since the euro's really been strengthening the last few days. Came down. Let's see, this would be an excellent opportunity to buy. If price would come all the way down to this level here, right at the 115 mark. Yeah, that's been an excellent entry point on this pair. Let's do that. But we have a pin bar, a kind of pin bar-ish forming today. So I'm going to guess that this little 250 pip drop that this did is going to be over, and this trend is going to continue. So again, we're looking at buying opportunities on these yen pairs, especially the euro yen. I'm more apt to buying the euro yen right now than I am the pound, because the pound's showing different kind of signs. I'll buy it at 45. It'll probably get a couple ticks down. The stop loss on this sucker is going to be the same thing. To find a good stop, I need to go down to a 4-hour chart, see what I can find. I'm going to say a good stop for this would be right here, right below this level here, 116.24. Let's say 116.20. 16.20, and the take profit we're looking at is we're going to try to close this thing at 120. So we're talking about a how many pips stop? 125 pip stop for a 250 pip run up. So our risk to reward is 1 to 2, right? We're risking 120 pips, but we're planning if the trade goes our way, that will make 250 pips. Now, if we're risking 1% across 125 pips, we lost 1%. If the trade goes for us 250 pips like we're hoping, then guess what? We just nailed on that thing, 2%. Okay, so that's how we want to focus on solid equity management. Take profit is, what do you say? Actually, I don't ever do 120, 119.80, right, or 85, just to be up in that range, because it may not quite hit like on this trade right here. Oops. Let's see. This thing did not come all the way up. See, it hit 119.97. If you put your take profit at one, and you bought this thing and take profit was at 120, you would have been taken out. You would have missed your take profit by 3 pips. Price then turned around and dropped down almost 400 pips. Right? Most of your profits would have been eaten up. So that's what I'm looking at on that pair. Let's look at the dollar Canadian, because we've been trading this pair for the last several days and had a bunch of winners. So I can just close up profits today, and now we're going to be looking at taking another one. Hold on a second real quick here, and then we'll dig this up here. So what we've been doing on this USD CAD, it has been trading in this little range here. Now the pair is still trading its way up. We have a low to a higher high, to a higher low, to a higher high, to a higher low, to a higher high, right? Did a retracement, it's pulled back. Now, when we talk about support levels can be multiple different things. It could be the figure, like 1.00 is called the figure, and that is usually a mental support resistance level. We also have trend lines, right? Trend lines. Okay, I wouldn't say that's a real solid trend line here because of how it works, but it could be useful. But you can see that price is somewhat holding on to this level here, but where that starts, it may not be right there. Part of trading is you've got to be able to recognize patterns, guys. That is probably a little bit more stable right there. But we're sitting here, price is holding below this 99.80 level. Now what I've been doing over the last several days is we've taken a lot of buy positions down at around the 98.45 range, 98.45, 98.46, and we've been taking 15 to 30 pips off this thing almost every single day. Okay, price came down today. We closed out some profits, 30 pips on this thing today. In fact, you can see price actually moved. Actually, let's take that off. From we were at 98.46. It went down to 98.37, so it went down 9 pips and went up to 98.76. So that's exactly where I ended up closing my profits out on it. Then it came back down to 98.59, and it's working its way down. In fact, if you look at a 1-hour chart, let's close that. The price is again stuck right here at this level. This is 60 mark. And I'm expecting that we will eventually get this thing to come back down. I've got a new order in at 98.45 to buy again, and all in this range. And when you talk about pip spread, you need that extra boost to push that thing down. But I'm expecting this thing to hit again and continue. But it is, over the last couple of days, working its way upward, sideways, but upward, slowly. See that? Now what I need is this thing to really break above this 98.80 level and take off. That's what we're really looking for. But the goal is this thing has gone up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down so many times that if we would have stayed in the original trade, we wouldn't have had those pips. And so we're gaining like 1/3% at 1% risk every single time. This is like the 4th trade that we're on right now. So we've done very well on this little trade. But we haven't gotten the major breakout that I wanted to, which is to have price break above 98.80, 9900 and take off to the 99.80 level, which is what I'm shooting for. But it is still trending up slowly. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on that pair. On a weekly chart, it's not really much to show on a weekly chart, but this 30-minute chart, you can see it's still ticking its way up. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.